I would like to welcome you to our today's lesson. Our discussion is on applications of simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations is one of the fundamental concepts in algebra which is widely applied in many fields. Sometimes you will be faced with scenarios which necessitate coming up with a pair of equations before solving them. In our discussion, we will majorly talk about elimination method and substitution method. Our first question: determine the point of intersection of the lines P, whose equation is 2y plus 3 equals to 7x, and line K, whose equation is y equals to 4 minus 2x. Solution: we are first going to write the two equations and label them as equation 1 and equation 2. Substituting equation 2 into equation 1, we get 2 into 4 minus 2x plus 3 equals to 7x. The blue part is taking part of y because our equation was 2y plus 3 equals to 7x. So instead of writing y, we substitute with 4 minus 2x. This can be simplified by opening up the brackets to give us 8 minus 4x plus 3 equals to 7x. Further, simplifying to 11 equals to 11x, giving us x equals to 1. Now substituting x equals to 1 into our second equation, we get y equals to 4 minus 2, which gives us y equals to 2. Therefore, the point of intersection is 1, 2, which we write as a coordinate point, 1, 2, and closed in brackets. Question 2. The sum of the digits forming a double-digit number is 10. If the digits are reversed, the number formed exceeds the original number by 18. Find the original number. Solution: let the number be xy. Therefore, x plus y equals to 10. That gives us our first equation. Reversing the digits, the number becomes yx. So the value of the number formed is 10y plus x, since the total value of y is 10 and the total value of x is 1. Since we are told that when the digits are reversed, the number formed exceeds the original number by 18, then it means that the difference between the number formed and the earlier number is equal to 18. So we have 10y plus x minus 10x plus y equals to 18, giving us our second equation, which we can simplify to give us 9y minus 9x equals to 18. Then, dividing by 9, we get y minus x equals to 2, or we rearrange to get negative x plus y equals to 2. That gives us equation 2 star. Now we write the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2 star. Then by elimination, we are going to add the two equations so that we can eliminate x. So this gives us 2y equals to 12. Dividing both sides by 2, we get y equals to 6. Now, substituting y equals to 6 in our first equation, we get x plus 6 equals to 10, which simplifies to x equals to 4. So since we had let our original number be xy, then the number is 46. Question 3. The denominator of a fraction is 5 more than the numerator. If both the denominator and the numerator are increased by 3, the fraction becomes 3/4. Find the original fraction. Working. Let the fraction be x/y. Since we are told that the denominator is 5 more than the numerator, then it means y equals to x plus 5, and that gives rise to our first equation. Again, since we are told that if both the denominator and the numerator are increased by 3, the fraction becomes 3/4. Therefore, x plus 3 all over y plus 3 should give us 3/4. That is our second equation. This equation 2 can be modified by cross multiplication to give us 4 into x plus 3 equals to 3 into y plus 3. Opening up the brackets, we get 4x plus 12 equals to 3y plus 9, which can be simplified to 4x minus 3y equals to -3. That gives us the modified form of equation 2, which becomes equation 2 star. Substituting 1 into 2, we get 4x minus 3. Instead of y, we put x plus 5, close the brackets, equals to -3. Opening the brackets, we get 4x minus 3x minus 15 equals to -3. Then grouping the like term together, it implies that x equals to 12. Then substituting x equals to 12 into our first equation, we obtain y equals to 12 plus 5. And this gives us y equals to 17. Since x equals to 12 and y equals to 17, then the original fraction is 12/17. Question 4. A 2-digit number is equal to 7 times the sum of its digits. If the digits are reversed, the new number formed is 36 less than the original number. What is the number? Let the number be xy. The value of the number is 10x plus y, since the total value of x is 10 rather, and the total value of y is 1. And the sum of its digits is x plus y. Hence, 10x plus y equals to 7 into x plus y, since we are told that the number is equal to 7 times the sum of its digits. So this gives us our first equation, which can be simplified to give us 10x plus y equals to 7x plus 7y. Grouping the like terms together, we get 3x equals to 6y. Dividing both sides by 3, it gives us x equals to 2y. That is the modified form of equation 1, which becomes equation 1 star. Reversing the digits, the value of the new number formed is 10y plus x. So, 10x plus y minus 10y plus x equals to 36, giving rise to our second equation. Equation 2 can be simplified stepwise as follows. 10x plus y minus 10y minus x equals to 36. That is after opening the brackets. Grouping the like terms together, we shall get 9x minus 9y equals to 36, and we can divide the whole equation by 9, which narrows down to x minus y equals to 4. This is our second equation, modified to become equation 2 star. Now, substituting x equals to 2y in our second equation, equation 2 star, we get 2y minus y equals to 4, and this implies that y equals to 4. Substituting y equals to 4 into our equation 1 star, we have x equals to 2 into 4, giving us x equals to 8. So the original number is 84. Question 5. To cover a distance of 10 kilometers, Kcse runs some of the way at 15 kilometers per hour and walks the rest of the journey at 5 kilometers per hour. His total journey time is 1 hour. How far did Kcse run walking? Let x be the distance that Kcse ran and y the walking distance. The total distance is then given by x plus y equals to 10. We treat that as our first equation. Using the formula time equals to distance over speed, Kcse's running time is equal to x over 15 and his walking time is y over 5. Then, since we are told that his total journey time is 1 hour, it means x over 15 plus y over 5 equals to 1. This becomes our second equation. Equation 2 can be modified by multiplying by 15 to give us x plus 3y equals to 15. That is our equation 2 star. By elimination, we write the two equations, that is equation 2 star and equation 1. Then we subtract equation 1 from equation 2 star to eliminate x so that we remain with 2y equals to 5. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2, we get y equals to 2.5. Substituting y equals to 2.5 in our first equation, we get x plus 2.5 equals to 10, which implies that x equals to 10 minus 2.5, giving us x equals to 7.5. Therefore, Kcse ran 2.5 kilometers. Next is some exercise questions which you can try, coming up with some equations and then solve them by either of the methods that we have learned.